Hey guys, today I'll show you how to add your calendar booking feature on your Shopify account or store. So first things first, what you gotta do is just go over here and download this application, Appointment Booking by Book Easy. I'll link this down in the description of the video. You just have to download it. After downloading it, you can go back to your Shopify store, go to appointments. You will not see appointments that will type. We see your country or the state or region that you want to buy from it. So you can go from me is showing appointments. I'll go appointments. After going to, you just have to follow the steps are same. You just have to follow it. Go to appointment, click on add appointment, click on like doctor appointment. Okay. Select your product like this. Proceed. I guess selected this product. So what I'll do, set okay, right. You know what? I'll just delete edit to me. After the appointment, you can just click on doctor appointment and select your products. Then after doing that, the slots will be already be given, but you can also edit it by clearing it all. And you can also like just copy it from other slots of this one. So I've copied it from Tuesday. After doing that, you can just click on the amount of time the person can ask for appointments. So it can be on days, minutes, or whatever, and how many times can you book the session. Well, it's one of it. And you can also add a free appointment without Shopify order, so it can be available without any Shopify order. After doing all of that, what you have to do is that you have to add a text box of name, okay, and of phone number or something, whatever what is needed. So after adding this, what you have to do is just gotta save it. You can even like add a blackout slot for the holidays or some stuff like Sundays or Saturdays. It's up to you. So after doing all of that, you just have to click on save. So after clicking on save, you just have to go to online store. Go to your online store. Go to view your store. After going to view your store, after scrolling down, you just have to click on your product. Clicking on it, you can just see that it's showing a book your appointment option. So you can just go over here, choose a date, choose your slot, go to next. After writing your name, phone number, last name, address, you can book your appointment feature. So yep, this was the video. It was a bit longer than other ones, but yeah, this is how you can do it. I'll link this app in Sequent is installed to your Shopify account in the description. So yep, that was the video. Thanks for watching.